In this video, I'm going to show you how to give a presentation in Collaborate Ultra. So navigate to your Collaborate Ultra dashboard. The first thing to note is, are you using the course room or are you using sessions? If you're using the course room, you can upload as many PowerPoints or PDFs as you want in advance of the class, and they will always remain available to you within the course room to share with students. However, if you're using sessions, you will be able to upload your PowerPoint anywhere from 15 minutes to 60 minutes in advance of the class, depending on how you have it set up. So you'll see here with session 2, it says not yet started. And if I click on that, I have no way to join this because it's not starting until the 8th of September. However, if I click on session 1, you'll see I do have a join session link, and you'll see just below at the bottom of this page, it says early entry, 15 minutes before start time. So I can either say no early entry or set it all the way up to 60 minutes before start time. This is when you yourself can go into the class as well. So if you want to upload your PowerPoint in advance and it's set to 15 minutes, you'll have to log in 15 minutes prior to your class and upload your PowerPoint then. So to upload the PowerPoint, just click on your session and click Join Session. Once that loads, on the bottom right-hand corner, click the purple icon, it's the Collaborate panel, and you'll see 4 tabs along the bottom. We're going to go to the third one, Share Content. Within this tab, we're going to click on Share Files. And again, we're going to click here in this grey box, Add Files. So at this point, you want to navigate to where your file is that you want to upload. As you'll see here, it's PowerPoints or PDFs that you can upload. So find your file and click Open. You'll see there it'll start uploading and it'll begin this process of converting it. What it's doing is converting your PowerPoint to static images. So if you have a lot of animation or transitions within your PowerPoint, they will be removed, and any hyperlinks or anything like that will be removed from the process when you upload it. I'll show you another way to share your PowerPoint if those things are important to you. So you'll see this is taking a little bit of time to upload, so you do have to give yourself some time to go through this, and the bigger the PowerPoint, the longer this process will take. Okay, so it's uploaded now. So what I must do is now click on the file, so you can see it's highlighted there. That's not highlighted, and when I click on it, it's black. That means it is highlighted. And now I can click on the Share Now button. So you'll still see on the left-hand side, the file is not there, and this is all the students can see. They can't see what you're doing on the right-hand side of the screen. So to actually begin sharing it, you must click on one of the slides. So at this point, to navigate, underneath the slides, you can click Next Slide and Previous Slide, or you can come over to the right-hand side of the page and scroll down through them. So if you wanted to skip a couple of slides, what you could do is scroll down and click through them this way. Also, above the shared screen, you have some options. So you have the select option, which the students won't be able to see. You have the pointer, which you'll see as I'm moving around now, the students will be able to see where this hand is as well. So that can be quite useful just so that they're following along with what it is you're doing. You also have the pencil tool, which is another option to use. So you can change the color of the pencil if you want. So when you have the pencil selected, what you can do then is draw on the PowerPoint itself. So you could underline things, or you could say, as you can see here, or you could, do a little graph and say this is called whatever, and as you can see here. So by using the pencil, it just makes it that little bit more interactive and keeps the students engaged, rather than just watching someone talk over a PowerPoint. To clear the drawings that were on the screen, you have 2 options. So you can either click the pointer and select one and click delete on your keyboard, or if you want to remove them all, just click the clear buttons, the little eraser symbol, and that will clear everything on the screen. If you needed to navigate back to change to a different PowerPoint, for example, just at the top of the page here, you'll see a little small arrow, and you can click back to the previous panel. That'll show you all of the PowerPoints that are available to you, or you can add more up here. and you can click back to the previous panel again, and then you're back to your other sharing options. So your other option is to share an application or a screen. So if I click on share application or screen, you'll see my three options. So I can either share my entire screen, I can share an application window, so you'll see the three applications I have open, or I can share a Chrome tab and it'll show you all of the Chrome tabs I have open. If you wanted to play a YouTube video, for instance, you could click on your Chrome tab and click share audio down here on the bottom and then click share, and that will enable them to be able to hear the audio from the YouTube video as well. However, I'm just going to show you here how to share the PowerPoint. So I'm actually going to click on the entire screen. Because I have two monitors, it's asking me which screen do I want to share. So I'm going to click screen 1 where my PowerPoint is, and I'm going to click share. So that'll appear over here now in a second. So you'll see now I have my PowerPoint available and I can navigate through like so. And when I'm sharing my full screen, I could navigate through to different folders if I wanted. So I could open up folders and be showing you. The students will see everything that you're sharing on your screen. And you'll see then at the bottom of the screen, I have this stop sharing button. So I can just click that and that'll bring me back to Collaborate.